President Draupadi Murmu on the eve of India's independence has praised the country's 6.5 GDP growth, digital advances and welfare schemes, Lord's reforms, rail link to Kashmir, calls youth, women and marginalized key to making India a developed country by 2047. We're looking at Supreme Court clearing Aadhaar use to contest voter list deletions in Bihar. The orders EC to publish the list of 65 lakh names struck off by the voter list after SIR, along with the reason for deletion. In fact, these are fresh visuals. As I speak now, we're showing you visuals of the Congress party who are carrying out a big protest march in West Bengal as I speak now, against the SIR drive in Bihar. So these protests they're carrying out right now by the Congress party, pressurizing the EC to abandon its SIR drive. India cautions Pakistan against reckless warmongering rhetoric. The MEA says any provocation by political or military leadership will invite severe consequences. Hours after Supreme Court scrapped his bail in Renuka Asami's murder case, actor Darshan has been arrested in Bengaluru. He was arrested from his wife's house. There are claims that he may have wanted to evade arrest and basically surrender before the court in a big gimmick. But it seems like the police did not give him the chance to show off. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin to be skipping Governor R.N. Ravi's Independence Day Tea Party. The Higher Education Minister to be boycotting 2 university convocations in protest against the governor's stance. ABVP's observance of Partition Horrors Remembrance Day in Kasaragod College sparks clashes with the SFI. The left government, UDF, opposed the governor's directive, citing divisive agenda. YSRCP chief claims 48 lakh vote anomaly in Andhra Pradesh, accuses Rahul Gandhi of silence and Chandrababu Naidu government of bias in the ZPTC polls, with police aiding the TDP. Basically, you have Chandrababu saying that Rahul Gandhi and Chandrababu Naidu at this point are in cahoots, in a way what Jagan Mohan Reddy says. The MEA says efforts on now to resume border trade. Wang Yi is all set to visit India. So after years of bitterness, India and China finally coming together on trade talks and even border talks post Galwan to happen with NSA Doal. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says secondary tariff hike on India depends on the outcome of Trump-Putin-Alaska meet, warning penalties for Russian oil. Arms purchases could rise beyond current 25% is what's claimed.